All right, guys, good morning. This is Andrew. I'm in Vietnam actually, and I am having a bad day. Like Monday, I didn't trade. Tuesday, which is yesterday, I had a really, really bad loss, about $10,000, and I didn't do recap because I wasn't really feeling good. And today it turned out to be also a really bad day for me.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
Again, continuing this situation. For some reason that these breakouts that I'm trading is not really working out, and I'll just keep having losses on that. So today I have a $12,000 loss on TQQQ and a $2,000 loss on Tesla, which I'm going to walk you through that. This my hotkeys on my laptop has a little bit of an issue that sometimes when I'm covering, I flip my position. That's why you see, when I'm having a long position, I'm also having a short position. There's a hotkey issue I have to fix in my laptop. Same, I was long Tesla, I got to stop that, and then I flip my position to the short. That's why I have two position but the other one is smaller. I don't know why it does that. I have to look at my hotkeys later. But overall, it just turned out to be a really, really bad day for me in these last 2 days. I mean, overall, I'm like $25,000-$30,000 down on it. So most of the losses today was TQQ. Tesla was also a little bit of loss. So let's walk through that. So the market with September was all S&P 500 was like down I think 7 or 8%. It was a really bad month, and historically September has always been a bad month. I don't know what's the magic on it, but it has been a really bad month. And the numbers, for jobless job numbers, job openings, and came out very strong. So it means that the economy is very, very resilient. So interest rates of 5% is not enough. So there are actually more rate hike on the horizon. So the longer rates for a longer period of time, which means the risk-free rate is now almost 5.5%, which is crazy. Like you can have 25 years risk-free for 5%. It's unbelievable. It's never been like this in history, I think. So that's why it puts a lot of pressure on the bonds and of course the equities. So Tesla was today was a really nice bounce back, really nice 5-minute swing range breakout, and a lot of traders in our community, including Paris, took that trade let me see if I can find the trades that Paris did. Show that to you. So one of them is yeah, as you see here. So he went long right at the open, and very nice partial, and then added more. He says added by mistake, but worked out really well for him, which is all the way up to in the final exit. So that was a really, really nice trade on him, for him. Paris also traded on Intel as well. He was shorted at the VWAP tier 3 size. Paris is also talking about that sizing in his course as well, and then he got a really, really nice short on Intel. So as you see, traders make money in this market. It's just not I couldn't make any money. And now you see the Tesla really ripped up higher. That's exactly the trade that I was really looking forward to get that. So the trade that I did on Tesla, I missed the opening range breakout. I did a really nice ABCD pattern. I saw that I was going to break the 253. I went long. I added more, and then I got stopped out. And then it came back up again. So as you see here, it was a really bad loss here. So that was a really bad loss. And then I added more here. I went back long again, added more, popped up a little bit, but eventually got to stop me. As soon as it stopped me out, check to test the VWAP and look at this huge, 3% squeeze. It's really disappointing. So that was a really big loss that I had, and now it's going to go to 255. A lot of traders are in our community took that. As you see, it was a very nice 5-minute opening range breakup. I took the trade, and because I see a really nice consolidation, hoping to get that. I got to stop out, and as soon as it came back up, I took a small profit on this, but this is what I was looking for that I didn't get that. So that was my trade on Tesla. TQQ, very similar situation. A very strong open. Then I added for the break of high of the day, and came down. I added more, and eventually I got stopped out, which turned out to be a very bad loss. And again, now it's doing exactly the same trade on Tesla. That So again, very strong open, came back up, really volume came in, I went long, I got stopped out, came back up, I went long, and I got stopped out. So essentially two trades. One of them is this one, and the other one is this one that I got stopped out, and I never touched that again anymore. So that's the situation, and again, in the last 2 days, I had really heavy losses. The market is just not doing what I'm expecting. Brian had a better trading day. I think he shorted CCJ out of nowhere. I don't know why. I remember that he shorted this. He finds these weird tickers. I don't know from where, like from the private stash that he has. Sometimes he brings this. He shorted this CCJ, which is apparently a uranium company. What else did you trade? I think, oh, you did a really nice trade on NVIDIA. So I'm going to do the recap for him because I remember that. The king of levels, the previous take was. Go ahead.
It was about BTC, right?
Yeah, this one was 10 o'clock. Yeah, I remember that. It was a very nice bounce. Anything else you traded, Brian? Sorry, I did the recap for you.
No, that was pretty much it. I'm just looking at the markets really taking off here right now, kind of watching, unfortunately. But yeah, still have some options trades on with Schwab and what's the other one that I've got on right now? I had Netflix, I had to cover that one. But, Nike I've got for short the puts at 93 still. So, yeah. Anyway, it was an okay day. But, yeah, it was quite choppy. You certainly had to, be in the right stocks.
Tesla was very nice, and it still is very nice. But again, I just had really losses on it, and I stopped trading. So I'm in Vietnam, and this is the situation. So on Sunday, I'm going to be in Dubai for a couple of days. And then from Dubai, I'm going to go to Switzerland and Italy. And maybe we can have, a meetup in Milan or in Lugano. Lugano is the name of that area? Yeah. So maybe I'm going to Lugano, which is very close to Italy. All the Italians are going to go live in there. And then I'll be back to the end of next week, back to the office. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, guys, and all the best. And hopefully, you guys had a better trading day than me. Let's see what the S&P 500 is doing on the daily chart. S&P 500 again, really bad September. I bought the deep right around 424 through SPXL. I'm down on it. It just keeps dipping. QQQ also had a really bad September, where it kind of seems that it's consolidating around 255. So that's it. Let's see what the market is doing, guys. All the best. And tonight is a very important webinar, guys, by Dr. Reed. Hopefully you guys joining. If not, see you in the chat room tomorrow. Ciao.